This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 16 EV is a travel trailer RV. It is located in LaGrange, Georgia, 30241 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9 and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.